Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. So let me introduce myself. My name is Imanisa Sabrina from class 2.3 management. So in this video I will explain some material about relative clause ending in and at and TOEFL. First one is relative clause. A clause is a combination of two sentences, and the sentences itself is a combination of words, where the words consist of one subject and one verb. Because it consists of two sentences, each of these sentences has a bound and free sentences status, or is called a dependent clause and independent clause. So after we understanding what clauses are, then we discuss about relative clause, the use of who, which, and them. Because they are relative, automatically they are not one and have a relationship between one another. And we will discuss this relationship with the who, which, and them conjunction. Who is used when the two sentences show about person, which is used when both sentences show about the object, and them for both. Relative clauses by using whose and whom. Whose is used to substitute for the verb possess. Whom is used to replace the pronoun object. So the next is adjective ing. Adjective ending ing describes something or thing that is filled. Example is the new park is boring. There is nothing special except the fountain. The next is adjective and at. Adjective ending it at reveal how someone feels about something. Example is I am amazed by this song. So the ending is TOEFL. TOEFL is a test to find out how good we are in speaking English. There is three kinds of TOEFL. The first one is PBT. PBT is a paper test including listening, reading, and structure. Second is CBT. CBT is a computer-driven test that includes improvement in listening, reading, and structure and writing skill. The third is IBT. IBT is a test that uses a directly connected computer to internet in addition to speaking. There are three kinds about listening. The first one is short conversation, second is long conversation, and third is thoughts. Now we discuss about strategies. Strategies for listening part A or short conversation. First one is listen carefully. The second is focus on the second speaker. The third is avoid similar sound. The fourth is answer with the synonym. So the strategies for part B, listening long conversation. The first one is anticipate the topic will you hear. The second is anticipate the question. Third is listen carefully to the first line. The fourth is as you listen the conversation, draw conclusion about it. The fifth is the answer usually sounds alike. The sixth is you should guess even if you are not sure. 7 is use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to the question that follow. So the ending is strategy for the part C or thoughts. first one is, if you have time, look the answer choices listed on the question sheet and find the keyword. Second is, beware of talking in the first sentences because that will usually be the topic for subsequent sentences. The third is, focus your listening on matters related to the 5WH question. Fourth is, make conclusion or evaluation on the situation that occurred when the conversation was held. Okay, that's all I can expect about material. I don't really know about editing videos, but when it comes to pronunciation, I think I'm good enough. So, thank you, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.